All right, so here's a blasphemy or a dichotomy or a contradiction altogether, whatever you want to call it. So, when somebody is a healer, all right, when somebody will be a healer for the world, for people in any way whatsoever, the person is expected to work and help a lot of people, but do it so selflessly that the person should not charge money, right? Because if a healer has a lot of money with them, suddenly the world will start questioning their intention, right? So a healer is being questioned and rather even looked down upon because the person might have some money, if at all, if at all. But somebody who's outrightly cheating us in broad daylight, we're calling that person a capitalistic person. We're not hunting that person down. So the problem is, we'll hunt down healers for having money. We'll not hunt down the hunters who are actually ripping us off of our money. Right? So you all expect, or we all expect rather, that if somebody is a healer, that person should be calm, should be composed, should not get angry, should not be frustrated, should always have a smile on the face and keep serving the society irrespective. Right? But the same person will always feel hungry, feel thirsty, will need some sort of necessities to be around them. And if only the person, if at all, the person gets some comfort in their lives to be able to be better so that the person can serve the society a lot more, suddenly the person is looked down upon. But owners and CEOs and founders of huge companies who ripping profits from our earnings, that is okay, right? And that's it's not even an irony. It's consciously something we know of, but it's just something we want to avoid thinking about. All right, it's like we're all ostriches. We dig our heads deep down under when a capitalistic person will rip us off our money, and the moment our heads come out of the ground, we see a healer trying to help us. Now we start attacking the healer. All right. Um, I understand how there are multiple types of people that exist within certain categories. There are good ones, there are bad ones. I would not say bad ones. There are good ones and not so good ones. But then at the end of the day, that's your decision to take. Firstly, you decide how good that healer is or not. For as long as you have a certain transaction with that person, it's okay. And if you don't like that person, walk off. Nobody's forcing you, right? But it's quite an irony when somebody who's doing the right thing, or even when somebody is doing social service or serving the society in some way or the other, they are expected to do this for free, right? But the ones who are ripping off the society and actually ruining society, they are doing it and charging money from you, and that's okay. I think I'll leave this here. I'd recommend that you think about this. You think about the dichotomy that you've woven for your own selves. All right? Think about it.